Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Manual channel. On today's video, I'm gonna share to you a tutorial on how to activate the Do Not Disturb feature on Oppo A92. So this is my phone, and if you want to activate the Do Not Disturb, you can just slide down your phone until the what is it called, the notification menu pop up or show up, and you can swipe until you found this feature, Do Not Disturb. Just click on it and then click on the circle right here until it turns to red, and you can set if you want to set the Do Not Disturb for 1 hour, 2 hour, 8 hours, or you can just click more to view or to set the more specific time. This is the option. If you want to activate it, just click on this circle right here, and then you can also set the schedule. You can schedule the time right here. Okay, that's so easy. For the further step right here, I will show you in the next video. Okay, so that's how you can set the auto shutdown on Oppo A92. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.